Good morning, everyone. I'll be discussing today the HIV and AIDS, which is under sexually transmitted disease. And now, let's define first the HIV, which stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. The virus compromises the body's ability to handle disease and causes AIDS. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, it is related to HIV, but not that totally the same, because HIV is the causative agent or the pathogen of the AIDS. And the AIDS is just an effect when you are affected with that virus. So, statistics show that since 1981, 1.7 million people in the U.S. are estimated to have been infected with HIV. Men who have sex with men or men-to-men sexual intercourse was accounted for 61% of all new HIV infections in the U.S. in 2009. Over 619,000 with HIV virus have already died since the epidemic began. So how about in the Philippines? In the Philippines, about 97% of the cases came from sexual contact or sexual intercourse, with 168 cases, and the other 5 new cases were transmitted through injecting drug use, while the last one did not identify the mode of transmission. And unfortunately, this HIV virus infected those young people in ages between 15 to 35 years old. So HIV, take note that HIV is a virus. Like all viruses, HIV cannot grow or reproduce without any host or without any infecting living cell or living organism. HIV is different from other viruses because it attacks or infects the immune system of a person. And if that virus infects the system, it will now cause AIDS. So, infection will manifest at least 25 days for those who are immunocompromised. When we say immunocompromised, they are those who are unhealthy person. But if you are immunocompetent person or you are healthy person, you'll be manifesting this infection within, I think, a year or 6 months to 1 year. So, comparison. As what I said before, always remember that HIV is the causative agent of AIDS. Okay? And how can we acquire HIV? Or if you want to acquire HIV, then follow this 4 modes of transmission. So, number one main cause of HIV/AIDS is that unprotected sex with an infected person. Unprotected sex means you have multiple sex partners. It is commonly among sexual workers because they do not have enough knowledge of how they acquire that HIV. And next, transfusion of infected blood or blood products, which is related to sharing of contaminated syringes or needles. You might not know that the needle you're going to use is infected with that virus. So the other one is infected mother to child. That baby is already infected with the mother if a mother has already that virus. The other one mode of transmission of this virus is that when the baby receives the breast milk of the mother. So next, so what are the symptoms of HIV/AIDS? So the Centers of Disease Control says the following signs and symptoms may be warning signs of this infection. So rapid weight loss because the immune system become compromised, then dry cough, recurring fever, or having night sweat, profound and unexplained fatigue, you know that you don't have any activities for that day, but you feel fatigue. Swollen lymph glands in the armpits, groin, or neck, diarrhea lasting more than a week, white spots or unusual blemishes on the tongue, in the mouth, or in the throat, pneumonia, red, brown, pink, or purplish blotches under the skin, memory loss, depression, and neurological disorders. So how can we diagnose HIV? Through having blood tests. So treatment, there's no treatment for HIV. Antiretroviral therapy only reduce the presence of the virus in the body but cannot eliminate it. So prevention, to prevent HIV virus during sex, you need to use a condom. HIV can be spread through vaginal or anal or oral sexual. And then, HIV is not airborne or cannot be caught by touching skin, sweat, or saliva. You cannot get HIV by holding hands or sharing drinks. Mosquitoes do not inject other people's blood when they bite, and so they cannot spread HIV. So, is there any question? If none, get one sheet of paper, then answer this. And for your assignment, okay.
Today, oh yeah. As this world keeps spinning, you and I keep fishing, flying kites, and wishing for something right.